My name Iwan Chandra. I'm the managing director of AICOOL Indonesia. AICOOL is manufacturing air conditioning and chiller. Yeah, the 290 products using hydrocarbon. Actually, back to 8 years ago, our first experience, we manufacture. In the meantime, we manufacture several big chiller, air-cooled chiller, and yeah, today we are introducing also the smaller products. Yeah, behind of me is the ducted split, which is using hydrocarbon. This is 75,000 BTU capacity, cooling capacity. Yeah. Certainly, 290 is a long-term solution. We believe 290 is one of the technology which will more and more dominate our air conditioning and refrigeration. This technology actually also very popular since many years in Indonesia. Unfortunately, the education, the introduction of 290 in this country not consistent enough. But yeah, the government already doing a lot of job now, a good job introducing this technology and also the new standard, yeah, SNI. So yeah, this all give me confidence that 290 technology will be one of the dominant or one of the good choice for Indonesia. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.